Hello friends, once again, welcome to TechVedas. Friends, so far we were discussing about CAN protocol. You can check out the description and comment section of this video for the complete video tutorial series on CAN protocol. Let's start this new discussion with a very fundamental question. CAN protocol is considered to be a robust serial communication protocol. It follows bus topology and it is based on broadcast type of protocol. Then exactly what is the need to introduce LIN as one more serial communication protocol and why it got become so popular in the automotive industry? So to understand this, let's start our discussion with this comparison video with CAN protocol. So going further, understanding the details of LIN in upcoming videos will be easy to understand. So let's start. This is the classic CAN network where ECUs are connected with each other through two-wire bus. And these lines are called as CAN high and CAN low. The message transmission happens by sending the dominant and recessive bit by applying the differential voltage on these two lines. Now this arrangement is robust and here one can achieve a maximum communication speed up to 1 Mbps, which makes CAN protocol highly suitable for safety critical applications. But if we try to understand this from a vehicle standpoint, nowadays there are many ECUs installed in a car and all are not necessarily executing safety critical functions. For example, entertainment system, mirror control and wiper control. So now the problem is if these all ECUs are connected over the same bus, the network bandwidth utilization will be very high. And since CAN uses two wires for communication, the overall wire cost will also increase rapidly. So now to answer our first question, to address these limitations of CAN, LIN was introduced as a serial communication protocol, which is comparatively a low-cost solution for non-safety critical functions. LIN stands for Local Interconnect Network, and like CAN, LIN is also a serial communication protocol. It uses single wire for communication. We will understand these details in upcoming session. The major difference between CAN and LIN is unlike CAN, which is broadcast type of protocol, where each node can access the bus at any point in time. LIN is based on master-slave type of communication, where one master can communicate up to 15 slave nodes. Unlike CAN, where each node can initiate communication, in LIN, the complete communication is managed and controlled by the master node. Slave node just respond to master request whenever they are addressed by master. Let's try to visualize the practical use case of LIN in the vehicle network. LIN is not a substitute of CAN, but it is more like an extension of the CAN bus to offload some of the low-cost, non-safety critical ECUs from the main bus to reduce the overall bus load. Or you can say that LIN is a sub-bus of CAN. Here this particular ECU is acting as a bridge for both the networks and working as a CAN node as well as LIN master node. And below are the 5 slave nodes connected in the LIN network. Great. So here is the quick reference guide to list out few of the major differences between CAN and LIN. You can take the screenshot for your future reference. So friends, here we come to end of this video. Please share your feedback on this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel techvedas.learn for all upcoming updates. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.